everyone! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, kung saan mang sulok kayo ng mundo naroroon. Welcome back to my channel. And for today's vlog, we will make a homemade Play-Doh. So if you want to know how to make a homemade Play-Doh, just keep on watching! Because tomorrow is Sunday, the first day of the school here in Saudi Arabia. So the usual thing I do is to make a homemade Play-Doh. I need to make different colors of homemade Play-Doh. So I will show you what are the things we need in doing a homemade Play-Doh. So first, we need the bowl and the spatula for mixing the homemade Play-Doh. 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of hot water, half cup of salt, 2 tablespoons of oil, and food colors. For today, we will make 3 colors of homemade Play-Doh: orange, raspberry, and egg yellow. Put the flour on the mixing bowl. And then the next step, we will put the salt and mix it together. We will put the oil and then mix it together. Yeah. Just mix it. And then the next, the first color, orange. We will put 1 teaspoon of food color here on the hot water and mix it. You need to mix it. You can now pour it on the bowl and mix it again together until you make a dough. So this is the texture. we are finished doing the homemade Play-Doh. So I will show you the finished homemade Play-Doh. We make 3 colors. This is the red. This is the orange. And this is the yellow. We make 3 colors of homemade Play-Doh. The red, the yellow, and the orange. The last thing we will do is put the homemade Play-Doh on the empty Tupperware or plasticware. Make sure that the plasticware is dried and clean. And cover it. This is our homemade Play-Doh. For today's vlog, at I hope you enjoyed making a homemade Play-Doh with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Brigittes Vlog, and click the bell button so you will be notified on my next video. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone. Masalama. Bye!